What's up, everyone? You're watching Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix headphone jack or earphones not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A32. So before starting video, if you're new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So let's start our video by wasting any time. So if you're facing headphone jack or headphone not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A32, then first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.